When working on Canva designs, sharp image corners can sometimes feel too harsh, especially if the rest of the layout feels soft or minimal. A simple rounded corner can make the whole design look smoother and more professional. Let's go through how to do this step by step right inside the Canva mobile app. Start by opening the Canva app on your phone. Then open a project or create a new one where you want to use your photo. Once the canvas is ready, tap the photo you want to edit. When the image is selected, a small toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the main editing tools live. Slide the toolbar from right to left until you see an option called corner. Tap that. The moment you open it, a slider will appear. This slider controls how much the corners of your photo curve inwards. Now, slowly drag the slider to the right. Watch how the edges of your image begin to soften. The more you drag, the more rounded the corners become. If you push the slider all the way, the image will almost turn into a oval shape. If you only move it slightly, you will get a subtle curve that still feels square but smoother. This control lets you fine-tune the exact amount of roundness that matches your design style. Some people prefer soft corners that look like photo prints, while others like perfectly rounded squares that look modern and minimal. There is no need to add any extra frames or shapes to get this effect. It's all built into Canva's editing option. That's what makes this tool so quick to use. You can apply it to one image or even multiple ones in your layout, and each will keep its own corner style. If the rounded corners don't appear right away, check that you have selected an actual photo layer, not a background image or shape. Backgrounds can't be rounded the same way regular photos can. You can also duplicate a photo first if you want to experiment without changing the original. Here is a small tip. Round corners look especially good on profile photos, social media posts, and product listings. They help images blend better with text and other graphic elements. Square corners tend to stand out more, while rounded ones feel softened and friendly. Once you are happy with the look, tap outside the image to exit the editing mode. Canva automatically saves your progress, so you don't need to worry about losing your adjustments. Now, the photo fits beautifully into your design with smooth curved edges. This small touch may seem minor, but it can make a big difference in how polished your project feels. Rounded corners help photos feel more intentional, less like simple uploads, and more like part of a cohesive layout. After doing this a few times, it becomes second nature. And once you start using it, every time you drop a new image into a design, you will instantly know how to make it blend just right. That's how to round image corners in Canva on mobile. Quick, clean, and simple.